Today, I'm going to show you how to install the most complicated AI tools faster than ever before. And if it doesn't blow your mind, I'll buy a graphics card for one lucky viewer. No, wait. This is my first video and I'm not Mr. Beast. Installing AI tools can feel like you're defusing a bomb. One wrong move and boom! Dependencies, conflicting libraries, endless troubleshooting. Pain! But what if I told you there's a way to skip all the hassle? Introducing the Pinokio Browser. So here's the challenge. I'm going to install the complex AI tools using the Pinokio Browser while my friend tries the traditional way. Whoever finishes first wins. So none of my friends wanted to work with me, so that's why I'm using AI. But hey, nonetheless, let's go. So after we downloaded, unzipped, installed Pinokio Browser, it should look like this because I've been using this a lot of times, so I already have these already installed. But now I will go to this Discover tab to look at all the projects which are available here. So let's take anything which can be good for us, which I don't have. Let's see. Okay, there's a pyramid flow. It's a video generation AI, text to video, image to video. Let's check that out. When I click on this and then on download, so this will be prompting us to install it. So we click on install and then it just starts installing and that's it. And you don't have to worry about any of the packages you have or you might not have and about the compatibilities because this is going to take over everything for you. And I'm done. That's the power of Pinokio Browser. Mainstream AI tools are easily available and installable in a snap. Quick heads up. For some of the more obscure tools, you might have to wait until a verified install script is ready. But trust me, it's worth the wait to avoid these headaches. And here is an important disclaimer. To get the most out of these AI tools, I'd recommend having a decent graphics card with at least 4 to 8 gigabytes of VRAM. Not for Pinokio Browser itself, but to run those powerful tools smoothly. With this, I wish you a very happy hunting on your next AI tool. See you later. Hey, if you like this video, then please subscribe and share this video, or don't. I mean, it's your choice. But or you can even comment to say how cringe I was. So that's also fine. So yeah. See you later in the next video. Please come join me. Support me.